Workers in Metro Manila are set to receive a boost in their take-home pay with the Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE announcing an 85 peso daily minimum wage increase. Gab Humilde Villegas lays out the details in this report.
Marian has been a security guard for 2 years, earning minimum wage only. That is why she is tightening her belt even more when it comes to food.
Ibis na karne yung kakainin mo, di gulay na lang yung orderin mo.
There's good news for those like Marian who work in Metro Manila because there will be an 85 peso increase in the daily minimum wage of workers in the region. According to Labor Secretary Francis Tolentino, the daily wage of workers in the non-agriculture sector will increase to 780 pesos from the previous 695 pesos. While workers in agriculture, retail, manufacturing, and businesses with less than 15 employees will have a daily minimum wage of 743 pesos from the previous 658 pesos. The wage increase will be divided into 2 tranches, where the first part will be a 60 peso increase starting July 19, while the second tranche will be implemented starting January 20 next year with a 25 peso increase. According to the Secretary, an estimated 1.1 million minimum wage earners are expected to benefit from the said wage increase.
Kinikilala ng pamahalaan ang dagdag sahod para sa ating manggagawa hindi lamang bilang usapin na talagang nasa halaga ng araw-araw nakita, ito ay pagkilala sa sipag at ambag ng bawat manggagawang Pilipino. Patuloy po natin isusulong ang isang makatarungan, napapanahon at balanseng mga patakaran para sa dignidad sa trabaho.
When asked about the timing of the wage orders release amid the ongoing protests by members of the Iglesia ni Cristo on EDSA, the palace's response,
huwag nilang bigyan ng mali siya kung ngayon in-announce. Kasi meron mga mamabatas humihiling na itaas ang sweldo. Diba? Pag ngayon binigay at itinaas ang sweldo, sasabihin nila, tina-timing. So, hindi na natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta.
Gab Humilde Villegas for The Nation.